How to add 360-degree images to Wix. So for example, right here, I am on a 360cities.net. I have entered this image. So as you can see, it's actually 360. I can even look up to the sky and into the ground and all sorts of angle right here. Now, if you want to add this to your website, you can just head over and then toggle these options right here. Just click on the share icon and click on this copy option. Once it's been copied, you can head over here to your Wix website. And then it's actually the Wix website editor right here. And then just find the space right here wherein you want to add it. Just click on this plus option. And then from in there, it should open right here. So what you can do is you can just click on this embed option, wherein you can add in here a custom element, or you can also embed a site. So click on this right here. And then after you have clicked that, it will be added to your site. So just click on this end website address and then just add in here the address that we have copied. Now click on this apply option. And then it will take some time for this to load as well. So just wait for this and you should be able to see this right there. So that's how you add 360-degree images to Wix. Hope you helped.